Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Salad Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Pilot of the PSI, Captain Vikram Singh Chauhan and Commander Rajiv Prasanna and pilots commit 29
Commissioning order by the Chief of the Naval Staff. Whereas the Government of India has decided that Indian Naval Air Squadron 316 be commissioned, you are hereby directed to proceed to commission the said Air Squadron on the 29th day of March 2022.
6. You all should be proud of your efforts in operationalizing the squadron within a short period of time and being given the rare privilege of commissioning a frontline air squadron. You have an onerous responsibility to instill an organizational and operational culture as well as ethos in the new squadron, drawing from the highest traditions of the Navy.